Welcome to OFAR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the Koppang 5-drawer chest from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a drill, a hammer, a 5/16 inch drill bit, a pencil, and an Allen key that IKEA provides you with. You can also use a Phillips or posi drive bit to speed up the assembly process. Before you start, I would also recommend keeping all the bits and screws in their intended bags, as mixing them up can make things more confusing. So the first step is to put these 4 long pieces of wood in this orientation. The middle 2 should have the grooves facing inwards, and these 2 holes should be facing this position. As for the other 2 pieces, just make sure that these pairs of holes are in this position and facing outwards. Now grab 16 of these screws from bag 1 and screw them into these 16 holes. Then grab 12 wooden dowels and hammer them into these 12 holes. Next, place these 2 panels in this orientation. The larger spacing to where I pointed at should be facing outwards. Also, don't worry if you don't see these extra holes on your panels, as I think the manufacturers made a small mistake. Now align the 4 legs and attach them to the panels as shown. Then grab 16 fasteners and secure them into these 16 holes. Next, grab 5 drawer slides that are labeled with an L and 5 drawer slides that are labeled with an R. Also grab 20 of these small screws. Now go to this side and place the drawer slides that are labeled with an R like this. Then secure each drawer slide with 2 screws. The screws will be going into these holes. Now go to the other side and place the drawer slides that are labeled with an L like this. Then secure each drawer slide with 2 screws. The screws will be going into these holes. Next, grab 8 of these screws and screw them into these 8 holes. Now grab 3 of these wooden pieces and put them into this orientation. Make sure the finished edge of this piece is in this position, and also grab 8 wooden dowels. Then hammer in the 8 dowels into these 8 holes. Now attach these two pieces to the right leg as shown. Next, attach this piece to the right leg as shown. Just make sure the finished edge is facing outwards. Then grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Now grab this piece of wood and put it in this orientation. Also grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then flip the structure over as shown. Now attach the piece you just worked on like this. Then attach the left leg as shown. Next, grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Now grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then grab 2 more dowels and hammer them into these 2 holes. Now grab the top panel and put it in this orientation. Also grab 4 of these screws and screw them into these 4 holes. Next, attach the top panel to the structure as shown. Then grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Now grab 3 of these screws and using the Allen key, screw them into these 3 holes. Next, grab 4 scratch guards and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then flip the structure over like this. Next, grab the wall hardware bag. If you have baseboards, you'll be attaching the brackets to the top holes. If you don't have baseboards, you'll be attaching the brackets to the lower holes. So to attach the bracket, first grab a bracket, a washer, and a screw. Then put the screw through the washer and secure the bracket as shown. Do the same thing to the other bracket. In this case, just make sure that the bracket is fully secured, not the way I showed it with it moving. Then grab the backing and the bag of nails. Place the backing onto the structure as shown. Now grab one nail and make sure the top left corner is flush, then hammer in the nail into this spot. Next, grab another nail and make sure the top right corner is flush, then hammer in the nail into this spot. Now grab one more nail and make sure that the bottom left corner is flush, then hammer in the nail into this spot. And with the other 27 nails, hammer them equidistant of each other all around the backing. Now put the chest against your intended wall and grab yourself the wall hardware bag. I've done these next steps already in another video, so I'll leave a timestamp with a link in the description below on how to secure the same brackets to drywall properly. So now let's focus on assembling the small drawer. Grab this piece and put it in this orientation. Also grab 2 of these screws from bag 2 and screw them into these 2 holes. Then grab these 2 side drawer pieces and place them into this orientation. Also grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Now attach the 2 side drawer pieces like this. Next, grab 2 fasteners and secure them into these 2 holes. Then grab the bottom of the drawer and place it in like this. Now grab the back of the drawer and place it on as shown. Then grab 2 pins and insert them into these 2 holes. Next, grab 2 fasteners and secure them into these 2 holes. Now place the drawer onto the floor like this, then grab yourself 2 knobs and 2 screws. Then secure the 2 knobs using the 2 screws. It's going to look something like this. Next, flip the drawer over and grab yourself the DL and DR corresponding drawer slides and 4 of these small screws. Now go to the left side of the drawer and attach the DL drawer slide using the 2 screws. The 2 screws will be going into these 2 holes. Now on the right side of the drawer, repeat the same step for the DR drawer slide. Next, grab the middle support and 2 of these small pointy screws. Then screw in the screw into this hole, but make sure you don't screw it all the way in. Now attach the middle support as shown. Then screw in the other screw all the way into this hole. Now let's focus on the big drawer. Grab this front drawer piece and put it in this orientation. Also grab 4 of these screws and screw them into these 4 holes. Then grab these 2 side drawer pieces and put them into this orientation. One of the side drawer pieces should have a warning sticker on it and attach them as shown. Next, grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Now grab the bottom of the drawer and place it in like this. Then grab the back of the drawer and place it on as shown. Next, grab 4 pins and insert them into these 4 holes. Now grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Next, grab 2 knobs and 2 screws and secure the knobs like this. Then flip the drawer over and grab yourself the DL and DR drawer slides and 4 small screws. Now go to the left side of the drawer and attach the DL drawer slide using 2 screws. The 2 screws will be going into these 2 holes. Then go to the right side of the drawer and repeat the same step for the DR drawer slide. Next, grab the middle support and 2 small pointy screws. Then screw in the screw into this hole, but make sure you don't screw it all the way in. Now attach the middle support on like this. Then fully screw in the other screw into this hole. Now repeat the same steps that are related to the big drawer 3 more times. After assembling all the drawers, put the smaller one in first. Then grab the bigger drawer that has the warning sticker on it and put it under the smaller drawer. Now you can put the other 3 big drawers in any order you want. Then you should check if the drawers open and close relatively smoothly, but if you followed all these steps, then you shouldn't have any issues. So you now have a fully assembled Koppang 5-drawer chest from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.